Hi friends, welcome to my channel Technobuzz. This is the third part of the series, how to set up an overset or overlapping mesh in OpenFoam. If you are visiting my channel first time, please do like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to click the bell icon. Now let us start the video. In this part, I will present the minor modifications needed to activate translation along with multi-degree oscillation and rotation. So here I will present the procedure for object translation using data file input with two options with multi-degree oscillation and rotation. In earlier parts 1 and 2, I presented brief introduction, geometry creation, and the folder structure needed for creating overset mesh. Procedures for linear oscillation and rotation are presented there. If you are visiting my channel first time, I am providing the links of part 1 and part 2 videos in the description. You can visit those videos and check the procedure clearly. It may be further noted that the overset meshing module is not available in the foundation version of the OpenFoam. So in this video, I am using OpenFoam2406 version of ESI. So let us revisit the geometry which is created earlier. So the simulation domain contains a rectangular duct or a capsule with two circular inlets on either sides as shown here. An opening at the top corner of a side is given. An object is placed at the right top corner to simulate the translation. So object will move from this side to this end. A closed manifold object is considered for translation with multi degrees of freedom. In the second simulation, a scaled down car is considered for translation with rotation. Overset meshing, the outer domain and inner domains are meshed separately and then they are merged. This creates overset or overlapping mesh. So now let us see the modifications to be done. One modification we have to do, that is in the file dynamic mesh kit. The file path is given here. The file is present in background constant folder. So here the block is already there. The only change we need to do is tabulate a 6 degrees of freedom, and this is the center of gravity. We need to give the path of the file. Now going back to the working folder, let us open this background folder. Here we have constant. Let us open this file. This is the file for giving the input for translation and multi degrees of freedom oscillation. So here this is the translation block and this is the rotation or oscillation block. Here I have given translation in X and Y directions, and here we can see the oscillation is provided in three directions, X, Y and Z directions. Further, to provide the translation with rotation only, so this is the data. So here I give translation in X and Y directions again and rotation in only Z direction. You can see here rotation in only Z direction. So these are the two datas I have used. I have launched the simulations and I created the animations in ParaView. So let us go to animations and see them. Now here we can see the animation of object translation with multi-degree oscillation. Further, in this animation, we can see the object translation with rotation. In this simulation, I have used car, a scaled down car. So in this video, I tried to discuss the object translation with multi-degree oscillations and rotation. These types of simulations are useful in automotive industry applications such as oven baking, washing, etc. If you have any doubts, please comment or mail me. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.